We present a passive deformable haptic glove input device for 3D interaction. The glove contains an Arduino microcontroller, a serial Bluetooth board, and a small lithium battery placed on the back of the hand. We attach a block of digital foam sensor in the palm, supported by a larger block of polyurethane foam. The digital foam sensor is a block of conductive foam that changes resistance value upon deformation. The resistance value is measured and converted to a distance reading. The foam glove supports a range of manipulation techniques for unprepared environment or outdoor AR. The user can walk up to a physical surface, such as the building wall, and touch the glove against the surface to create a virtual model that is attached to the surface. The virtual model has a fixed width and height with adjustable depth. Here is how the technique works. Upon touching the physical surface, the foam sensor is deformed, thus activating the creation of virtual models. The user location and head orientation is tracked by GPS and a head tracker. And there is a fiducial marker placed on the back of the hand. By assuming a fixed distance from the body to the hand, we can determine the location of the hand in 3D space. By pressing on the foam sensor, the user can create the depth of the virtual model to be placed. This diagram summarizes the mechanism. Transformation matrix of the head, and from the head to the hand determines the location, and the foam sensor gives the depth information of the virtual model. This is the view of the user through the head-mounted display for an example of a smaller model. In the case of the model environment, this example technique is to cut virtual holes in a physical object. The user presses the foam down to determine how deep the holes are, and by maintaining the same depth level for 2 seconds, the hole is cut at the required depth. This allows for a modeless interaction where no other manual command is required. The user can also cancel the operation by removing the hand from the required depth level. The 2-second timer will reset. Another example is to chamfer the edges of physical objects. This example is to carve a trench into a physical object. The user can press the glove down to the physical object and drag along the surface to carve into the object. While dragging, the user can adjust the hand pressure to vary the depth of the carve. In this example, we have a virtual model of the physical box. The hand location is tracked by retroreflective markers only as a 2-degree of freedom tracker to replace the image plane technique. By attaching an orientation sensor to the hand, we can create different shapes of the carves by treading the hand in various angles on the surface. This enables the creation of organic shapes. The users of the digital foam sensor utilizes passive deformable haptic support to enable intuitive interactions, reduce fatigue as compared to an image plane technique. The foam also helps reduce erroneous hand movements and improves on precision. This concludes our video presenting the passive deformable haptic glove input device for 3D interactions in mobile augmented reality environment.